General Motors Chevrolet is readying production of its next generation electric vehicle based on the Bolt EV concept. Here to talk more about the technology is Alan Batey, Executive Vice President of GM. And Alan, the Bolt EV concept was introduced at the Detroit Auto Show just last month. So what has the consumer feedback about the vehicle been like so far?
Yeah, we got a phenomenal response. To be really honest, we expected it, but it's always nice to get that confirmation. And, you know, the announcement we made today is we really want to go fast. We want to be the first to market with something we think is a game changer, a vehicle with a 200-mile range, with a price of around $30,000. We think that that is truly hitting a sweet spot. And so today's announcement is about, you know, really get going now and let's get that production vehicle to market.
What sets this vehicle apart from others on the market?
Yeah, what sets it apart is obviously its range and its price. We know that a lot of customers today are very concerned because of the range anxiety. And, you know, there's vehicles out there today that are way under 100 miles. This vehicle at 200 miles, we believe, takes that away. And, you know, it does the same thing as Volt, but using different technology in a different way. But removing range anxiety is definitely the key.
All right, now, of course, gas prices have been on the decline lately. So is this really the best time to be debuting a new electric vehicle?
You know, you have to take a long-term perspective, and what we've got at General Motors and what we've got here in the U.S. is, here in the U.S. we've got 4 brands that are really well positioned to be differentiated, and, you know, we've got everything from a mini car right through to a heavy-duty truck, and so having that portfolio allows us in a cyclical business and in a business where segments grow and others decrease from time to time, depending on the external environment. This really just gives us a portfolio which is really unmatched in the industry, and that's why it is important to have a good range of electric vehicles that offer, you know, that capability to our consumers.
All right, now this car could directly be a competitor to Tesla's smaller and upcoming Model 3. How much of a threat do you consider that to be?
Honestly, I don't know much about it. All I can tell you is that, you know, we are determined to be there fast. We believe that we've got the right criteria with $30,000 and 200-mile range. And we've also got a stunning design, as hopefully you've seen, but the response at the shows have been incredible. So we think we've got the right vehicle, and, you know, Tesla's a great competitor, so we'll see what happens.
All right, Alan, we'll leave it there. Alan Batey, Executive Vice President at GM, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
I'm Scott Gamm, and you're watching The Street.